Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset a repository in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are two things. Either you want to restore a deleted repository, this means you have deleted a repository and you want to reset it or restore it. Otherwise, you want just to simply reset all the changes on your repository. So here you can reset your remote and local repository to remove all commits. So simply for restoring a deleted repository, we can simply go to the GitHub and from there you will go to the repositories to settings, and by going to the settings we will be needing to search for the repositories. So here in this section of code planning and automation, so here we want to go to repository and we will need just to search for our repositories, and here we will find this option of deleted repositories. We click on it and basically next to your repo that is deleted, you will find the restore option. By clicking on restore option, you will be able to restore your repositories. Otherwise, if you want to reset a remote git repository and to remove all the commits, so from here, you will be needing just to use this command. So in your git bash or any terminal that you are using, you will be needing just to go to your directory. So go to directory or change the directory to your git, and from there you will be needing to use this command git remove origin, and origin is the name of your remote repository. So if you have changed the name, just use the name of your remote repository and it will remove all the commits. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.